Dear sir, this is our QLQ slider torsion testing machine. Just now we used this machine to show to you how to test the plus YG slider already. Now we are going to show to you how to test the Zinc slider. Okay, so now our colleague will show to you. First, same as just now we test YG slider. We need to clip the puller and the slider body first. So let's fix in. And then let's start the machine. So you see, the puller has been broken already. So let's see the result. The strength is just about 0.472, and just now when we test this YG slider, the testing result is 0.891, because for the plus YG, the torsion is more strong. So now let's separate this and see what's the result happen inside. So now our colleague is dismantle the clip. So let's see the puller. The puller has been broken already. You see, puller has been broken already. Okay, so if you want to test the Zinc slider torsion, then you can use this machine for testing. This is the Zinc puller, and in next video let's test the blast one. Okay, blast puller. Let's see what will happen. I will take this video show to you. So if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us.